Good day, everyone. With me here, I have a premium CAD blocks library, which is compatible with AutoCAD and any other CAD softwares. So, in case you have been wondering what is actually included in the library, let me give you a quick tour on what is included. So, the original price for this library is actually that is 1,000 Kenyan shilling. That is $10. But currently, it is on offer. So of half of the price, which is 500 Kenyan shilling. So let me give you a quick tour based on let me see the architectural blocks. So if you're interested, just send me a direct message. I'll be able to share with you. These architectural blocks, it is also subdivided into some categories. So here you have the sofa. That's the sofa set. You have different types of sofa. And then you have the bed blocks, the doors, and its elevations. The here also there's some roofing details. Stairs is here, chairs, and then the dining table plus railings. And so the next, this is doors and windows. Uh, this one here contains that is the door elevations, and then the windows elevations, then the windows plans. As it is indicated here, that is the top view of the window. Then curtains here. Let me show you electrical bundle. This one we have the electrical panel, the circuit, that is the ceiling fan, plus the electrical symbol, the light, all of them are included here. Let me show you this one, the environmental. Environmental includes the trees, different types of trees is here, plants, stuff, all of them. Even there's some lights here. Let me see this one, HVAC bundle. Yeah, so this the ceiling, yes, all of them are included. Then let me see this factor. This is actually what is included. That typical details for beams and the steel joint connections. Then some columns, that is truss, the roof truss, and so much more. And then meanwhile, there are also some templates. Let me show you. Let me show the main folder, then architectural templates. So it basically includes a simple one bedroom floor plans. So and then the blocks which are associated with it. Okay. The people and so much more. Dining tables are here, like trays. See, all of them, different types of trays. And then these ones, these basins, WCs, all of them are here. Then let me see this one for 3D construction. Yeah, so this is actually a warehouse model. So these are still designed for a warehouse. Let me change the visual style so that you can see. see it very clearly. Let me say that the visual style. Let me choose one of them. Shades of gray, or let me choose realistic. Yeah. So this is what you can actually see. If I edit, you see, that is somehow heavy, but you can use it actually. So let me show you the structural template. So it includes the foundation layout and the details, that is the base details, and so much more. Column details. Let me just close that out. This is the review construction. It's very heavy. And let me see this electrical templates. So basically here, this is electrical layout for building. So then plus all the symbols, lighting symbols, everything, plus the legend, you see, everything about electrical layout, you see, and so much more. So if you're interested, just send me a direct message. Okay, even the water system and so much more.